Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Honor 90. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Firefox and click search. Now click install and click open. Now you can make your Firefox your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to switch between laptop and a smartphone, or you can click not now. And now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now. And now you can use your Firefox as your regular browser. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.